Hey guys, I've got a bunch of packages to unpackage, but I want to start with this one. This is a fidget that I've had before and I got rid of and I missed and now I bought it again. That right there is Tootsie. No, this is Tootsie. That's Dolly. And this is Sheba. I've got a new iPhone stand. The camera's nice and it's high up, isn't it? Wait till I turn it around so you guys can get a really better look. But this thing is not crazy. It's just something that I missed and I decided that I wanted. So, all right. You'll probably recognize it. Didn't cost me that much. It was like 50 bucks. Oh my God, this cat. Ow! Guess what my shirt says? It says, I'm done peopling. And it's early. I'm already done. Can you move? You know that cat up there? Her name is Dolly, but I call her Kittiones. If I say Kittiones, I bet she'll look at me. Kittiones! Sometimes she meows at me. Watch, okay, let's see if we can get her to do it. Kittiones? Kittiones? Kittiones. She's like, nah, I'm good. Probably the fence guy out there making her nervous. Gal Studios. Dude, I bet if Kev from Lefty EDC is watching, he's gonna be like rolling his eyes. He thinks that Gal makes nothing but shit. That's not true. They've gotten a lot better, and some of their stuff is really good. Okay. Here it is. Oh. This dude double taped it. Come on. I appreciate it though. Oh my God, there's a cat here in the frame. Ear. Cat ear. Okay. Here we go. Come on, bitch. Okay, got it. There it is. This is the Gal Studio square slider. Mm-hmm. One of the better square sliders out there. Oh shit. Ah, yeah. They've got different, I gotta show you guys the way that these actually work. I am gonna turn the camera around. I'm gonna show you my brand new blue little mat thing. But what's cool is that what holds it all together is these little spots right here, and you can change the magnets up into all the different configurations. Now let me see, it's supposed to come with spare magnets. No, okay, that's okay. I just want it in the original configuration, but they actually have all kinds of different inlays you can get for these now. Sheba is growling. Why are you growling, Sheba? Oh, maybe it's because I put flea medicine on her and she licked it. Something must be happening outside. Okay. Let me turn the camera around. Hey guys. I thought this blue thing was gonna be like awesome, but it's like a fucking cat hair magnet because it's like rubber and I can't ever fucking get it cleaned. I am gonna have to get one of those cork board things. But, oh my God, my cat is under my, bro. My cat is under the lamp I just put over here. Okay, so I wanted to show you a little bit about how this sumbitch works. I'm actually going to do it professionally like. So I wanted to get one of these little guys that has like a little tip on there. Shit. This maybe. Oh, yeah, that'll work. Okay, so you see this little hole here? If you push it, see what happens? Okay. So this comes out. So it's held together by magnets. See? Now if I had a little bit of a longer one, it'd be easier. But so they make different, look, and you can change up the magnet configuration. I think it's genius. So here is the plates. These are just stainless steel, just colored black. They have PEI ones. They have all different kinds. Oh, this must not be the one that goes there. So it's pretty simple. The plates are stainless steel. Slides really, I might have to put stronger magnets up in here. Slides pretty easily. I know Fidget Focus loves to do these crazy laddering moves. I wonder if I can zoom out a little bit. Yeah. So I feel so organized today. Yeah, I feel like I probably need stronger magnets, although I've been playing with the Drifter today. This bitch has some strong ass magnets. But I kind of like this because it is it's easy to play with. It's relatively quiet. I wonder if you can do any of these cool moves. Oh yeah, I guess you just got to be a little bit more gentle with it. But I can always put stronger magnets in here. I doubt that these are the N. Yeah, they definitely don't feel like N52s. But they're strong enough. So yeah, I got this for 50 bucks. I'll say that this one is like a good go-to square slider. Now, not everybody likes square sliders, but there's some moves you can do with the square sliders that are fun. And it's very pocketable. It wears very nice. Like I found that the stainless steel plates are nice. They don't gum up like the brass or copper ones. Make a good noise, and they don't wear very easily. So, yep. So Gauss Studio square slider, you can get it right now for like 50 bucks on AliExpress. And it's customizable because you can change up the magnet pattern. Which I haven't done yet. I probably should at some point. And then also they have a bunch of different inlays. They have PEI, they've got micarta. This is just the regular stainless steel one. So there she be. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching.